Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. On this channel, we teach how you can earn online very easily and very comfortably. We share amazing tricks and tips that help you, that assist you in earning. So do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do like our videos, must share with your friends and family. And now let's come to the point that why have you people come on to this video? So as you people know, recently we installed an app called Facebook Research app. And because of that, we have faced a problem called network may be monitored in notification bar, as you can see. So we will be learning how to finish this problem in this video. So first of all, we will need to uninstall this. And for that, when we try to uninstall, there comes an option, a pop-up, and that says, do you want to uninstall? We will say with okay. And this is uninstalled. Now let's check. Still the problem is there. It's not finished. So for finishing it, we will need to go into settings. Here we are in settings, and for this we have to go into security and privacy. This is my system, okay? So this may vary from different mobile phones, different cell phones to different cell phones. But for me, it is in security and privacy. Let's come here, and now we need to go into more options. So there are some more options, and now the thing we need to change or do is clear credentials, the fourth last right now. Please look at this. Remove all certificates. Yes, if you want to remove that option from your notification bar, this network may be monitored, then you have to do this. Remove all the content. Okay, so go for okay. So this is done. All the credentials are cleared. We have successfully removed all certificate. And see, there is no option like that, like network may be monitored. Now we are completely secure. There is nothing wrong. Okay, so we needed to remove the certificates, the permissions that app took during the process of installation. There was nothing big, but unless we did this option did not go. So as we have done, there is no option like that. So this is all done. I hope you have successfully found the way of removing this option. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please like this video, share with your friends and family. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel.